Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the diary entry. Receiving prize firstly from your principal in the morning assembly for class 9 Odisha Adarsha Vidyalay for unit test 2 exam purpose. एटी SEA देछि. SEA means subject enrichment activities. एथिरे ए डायरी एंट्री देछि. यूनिट टेस्ट 2 रे यह निश्चय आसबो. याकू एमती लिखिबा फर्स्ट डायरी एंट्री आउ करंट डेट रहबो तापर टाइम. Then, dear diary, today was the most memorable day of my school life. I still cannot believe what happened this morning. As I stood in the assembly line, the principal sir announced the names of students who were going to be awarded for their achievements. To my great surprise, my name was called out first. I was selected as the best student of the month for my performance in academics and discipline. With butterflies in my stomach and a big smile on my face, I walked up to the stage. The principal congratulated me warmly and handed me the prize in front of the whole school. Everyone clapped loudly and I could see my teachers smiling with pride. I felt so proud and happy that I was almost in tears. This moment has motivated me to keep working hard and stay focused. I will always remember this day. Good night diary. Last रे तुम निजर नेम लिखिबो. बस एतिक थिला एथिरे. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to attend our online class or to get the PDF of these. You can contact us or you can call us. To attend our online class, you can call us. Our mobile number is 6372482818. Please like the video and share among your friends. Write your comment in comment section. Soon we will meet in a new video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and take care.